Hello once again. This is your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison, and I'm going to show you how anyone can get started trading options with just $10,000. Now, before we go any further, let me tell you that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme or anything like that. It will require some hard work on your part. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, then I guarantee that you will be able to make some good money from trading options without needing a ton of capital available up front. Have you ever wondered how much money can be made trading options? It's realistic to make anywhere from 10% to 50% or more per trade. If you have at least $10,000 in an account, then the sky is your limit. You could potentially turn that into a minimum of $250 to $1,000 just by playing it safe and taking calculated risks with trades. Let's look at the basics, starting with how much can you make trading options? You can make tens of thousands a day with option trading. In fact, if you're not going to be an expert trader and just want some exposure on the market, then options are perfect for your situation because they give you leverage without all the risk. They offer great opportunities that will have little downside while still allowing you to earn money in any possible scenario. So take advantage of this time-proven investment strategy today. Before I answer how much one might expect from trading options, it's important people understand what exactly these instruments involve, as well what their structure is. Specifically, that they allow investors more upside than buying shares outright, but also come at a premium price due to limited liability and thus less potential profit. This comes from the fact that you're able to control 100 shares of stock when you buy one option contract. Options have strategies that allow you to make money in any market. Yes, even sideways markets. Part of the appeal of options trading. As a result, it's important to know what you're doing before you start trading on your own. And this is one reason why we offer stock alerts inside the Empirical Collective, so people can earn while they learn. But so often, people get excited about trading options and they rush into it all. Just like Jeff. Jeff was in the middle of a deep depression. Could not understand why he had lost so much money trading. He didn't think he was doing anything wrong, but it just seemed like every time he would make a trade, the market would do something completely different and he would lose his money. But Jeff had a history of impulsive trading, and it was catching up to him. He had started with $100,000 in his trading account, but after 3 years, he only had $16,000 left. It wasn't going well for Jeff because he let his emotions get in the way and traded without a strategy. And this is one of the quickest ways to blow up a trading account. When it comes to trading in the market, you've got to focus on one thing and get good at it. Bouncing around from strategy to strategy is a recipe for disaster. It's what we've done inside the Empirical Collective, where we have certain members of our team focusing on certain trades or trading ideas. And it's paid off in a big way for our members, as our trade win average is around 94%, and our average return per trade is over 24%. So if you'd like your trading account to increase almost effortlessly, I recommend you visit us at theempiricalcollective.com